Okay, we're leaving on our adventure.
Where are we going?
We are going up to Oregon
I meant like, where are we going
right now.
today?
Oh, we're gonna stay at a Love's truck stop just outside of Modesto or Fresno, depending on how we feel about driving. Leaving late in the day. Over. Are you excited for your camping adventure?
Heck yeah.
Well, this was our free night at Love's. I don't like it right next here. There's only 4 spots. But
You're the only one's dumb enough to do it.
I wasn't going by the homeless dude in the alley. It's like Ghost.
Here we are in our tent. We need more pillows.
Today is Friday, day number 2. We had our stay at the Love's truck stop.
Gas station.
And it was not what I had anticipated. I have seen many Loves where they have several spots. We had 4 spots right next to the pumps.
It was awful.
Yeah.
Absolutely terrible.
We
It
thought
was
of
probably 90 decibels all night long. we're in Oregon. Still day 2, but we're I'm gonna goose it past this fool.
as the little were you in another area. But anyways, we have 2 hours and 18 minutes left to get to Oak Ridge. Oh my god.
My stomach's been bugging. I'm not feeling good.
Are you looking at it? What's
Selling it.
selling it? That's it. That's it. Alright. See you in Oak Ridge. We are 30 minutes from Oak Ridge.
It's been a journey.
Yeah.
My butt hurts.
Yep. 30 minutes away, 29 miles.